vortex. I wanted to show you this before they all got eaten. I actually did something that I said I was going to do. It's possible. It just takes me a long time. And the reason why it takes me a long time is because I'm a very complicated person. In case you're wondering why I can't stay on topic, and why I talk so fucking much, and why one of the voices that I do is very masculine. It's because I'm just a really cool fucking person. Okay? No, there's a lot going on. There's a lot going on. It's not just because I'm cool. It's because I'm fucked up. No, but really though. Yeah, I switched CDs again. Yeah, I found this CD at the record store, and I got really excited about it because I have this CD, but it's really, really scratched. So I had to get another copy of it. But it's so good. A lot of people don't understand stoner music. Not just because they hate weed. Oh my goodness, I got way too much crap. It's frustrating me, damn it. It's frustrating me. But at least I can drink coffee again, right? Cheers to the one thing that most people don't have. Self-discipline. Well, you cannot have self-discipline without an earnest desire to be better. And I don't really think that a lot of people have that. And I don't think that this is because of social media, and I don't think that this is because of the internet. I think it's really hard to have self-discipline, especially when you live in a country that almost takes pride in not having self-discipline. Well, speaking of pride, you know, it is Pride Month, so you know, I was thinking about how fucked up it is to celebrate literally the worst of the 7 deadly sins in relation to one of the other 7 deadly sins. In relation to doing something sexual that is an abomination against God. And I'm not saying that to shame anybody that gives into this urge that they have. Motherfucker. Hold on one second. Vortex? Are you still there, Vortex? The vortex is still there. The vortex for what they choose to do, because I don't have to be them. I don't have to struggle with whatever they're struggling with. Shut up, Thelonious. When will you just accept the way that I am? I think I can go. Here you go. Oh! You can't say that this channel is not exciting, okay? You cannot say that this channel isn't fun, okay? Because you really have no idea what's gonna happen. And neither do I.